Next, we're going to be talking about homeowners or property insurance. And that could be for a rental property or a home that you own, whether it's a condo and a house, townhouse, whatever it is, whether it's rental or a property you own. And the reason is because if you rent, you want to provide insurance or make sure you have insurance for the contents in case anything happens inside. And of course, if you own your property, you need to have insurance coverage to rebuild or to, get that all covered if something should happen. So homeowners policies are extremely important. The problem is sometimes people will buy the coverage and then they never review to see if it's still, I'll say, doing the job that it needs to do. For example, I had a client that had done a major renovation. Now, you need to know what kind of insurance you even have for your property, whether it is a replacement or if it's just a policy that will eventually depreciate your contents. Very important to know the distinction on that. But this client had done a major renovation, spent a couple $100,000 doing the renovations, and had the insurance agent come over to see all the renovations to make sure she was covered. Now, in this particular case, the problem was because she had the insurance agent come and see everything that she had done inside, her premiums went up so high that the only way to get them back down was to actually go for a larger deductible. Now, having a home insurance policy, if it's got replacement value, you want to make sure that you've got pictures of everything in your home, whether it's the home itself or the contents in it, because the insurance companies do not, if, for example, if your house burnt down, they have no way of knowing if you really did have that baby grand in your living room or you just made it up in order to get more insurance, a bigger claim from the insurance company. So you have to understand where the insurance is coming from. But on the other hand, whether or not it's advisable to bring the insurance agent in to see absolutely everything that you've done could work against you. But if you want to know more, give us a call at Levesque Wealth Planning of IA Private Wealth. We'd be happy to sit down and talk with you. Alternatively, you can go on our website, book your own appointment. We'd be happy to answer all of your questions. It's always free. So until next time, remember, you asked, we answered. I'm Linda Levesque of Levesque Wealth Planning of IA Private Wealth. See you soon.